Tired of clogged sink and food scraps piling up? Meet the InSinkErator Bezer 5 garbage disposal. With a powerful half horsepower motor, it grinds food waste fast. No more mess, no more hassle. The continuous feed design lets you add waste while it runs, keeping your kitchen fresh and clean. Easy to install with lift and latch technology, so you are up and running in no time. Users love it. One said, easy to install, quiet, and works great. Upgrade your kitchen today. Click the link to get your InSinkErator Bezer 5 now.